mental and behavioral changes that follow a daily cycle in life. Light and darkness in our environment make us do things like sleep at night or awake during the day. Circadian rhythm is why babies naturally fall asleep at night and wake up during the day. But we all don't sleep like babies, so we need help. Why don't we all sleep like babies? It's because of light. And if you don't turn the lights off eventually throughout the day, you really don't get into the circadian rhythm. So things like sunlight, blue lights, and cell phones, and tablets, and artificial light, and lamps, fluorescent lights, all go into your eyeball. They're processed by the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus signals the pineal gland to produce what's called melatonin. Melatonin, quite simply, is a natural substance produced in the pineal gland in the brain that helps the body sleep. So when you are looking at light, you're not going to be getting melatonin, so that means you will not be sleeping. Now let's check out the circadian rhythm. So here's what I'm talking about. Say you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. 7:30, melatonin starts, going away, so you're not sleepy anymore. You maybe get in the shower, go to the bathroom. Then by 10 a.m., if you follow a normal pattern, you're usually at your high alertness stage. Then noon comes and your coordination kicks in the best at 2:30. Then you have the fastest reaction time later in the afternoon. You're strongest with your muscles by 5 p.m. And then after 6 p.m., you start getting tired. The day starts winding down. That's when melatonin, the thing that helps you sleep, begins to discharge again. Then after midnight, you get into your deepest sleep and your lowest body temperature. So this is the time you should be sleeping, guys. You should not be up doing things like staying on your phone. You need your sleep to grow your brain. So turn those lights off. Turn your tablets and your phones off. Grab your favorite pillow and grab your Build-A-Bear that you've had for 5 years and keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, be safe.